Okay, this is just a continuation of working for Soothe and Zeel and having multiple streams of income, meaning your private practice or things you do on the side for massage therapy. So as you can see, some clients are going to want you to work outside in the blistering hot, even when it's windy with no sheets. That's what she wants. So you have to be careful of the elements.
I
You
really
can see
appreciate it.
birds and bees flying around.
Thank
Now
you.
this is
Well,
a
I
home
really
visit.
appreciate it. Her last client
She
was
has 4 flights of steps. Let's count them
definitely
again.
wild. That's
4
gonna be
flights.
Rockville or
Let's just watch.
Montgomery
And
County.
I'm carrying my table. And she didn't turn on the lights for me. And I still had to navigate through. But I kind of know my way around because
Yeah.
this is probably my 6th or 7th time being there. She's one of my best clients. Oh, she turned the light on. Thank God.
I'm just a little weak. That's all. Yeah, it's been a long day.
So you can
All
see
right,
how I
we
went
made
up
it.
3 different sets of steps. And then the first
All
floor,
right,
I didn't
perfect.
record the steps on the outside
Okay.
of the house coming into, technically, which is the second floor. So it's 4 flights of steps. Now we're in the snow.
Fuck up.
And you got to think about it. Some of your requests from Zeal or Soothe
And that
or
nigga
on
got
your
charged
own
for giving
accord
me that. Damn.
that you're visiting somebody, you're going to have to embrace or endure the elements, the freezing cold, the tundra, the hawk, all that good stuff. And see how icy the road is? It's not a major snowstorm, but it's more icy than anything. As you can see by the disappearance of any type of cars on the road, I'm the only one out there in the freezing, blistering cold on this highway, George Washington Parkway, going into DC from Virginia. You only see salt trucks out there because it was just ice coming down.
Almost damn near April. Fucking snow. Crazy.
Okay, so you also have to worry about, recent school shootings. As today, I was going to a client's house, and because of the nonsense that's happening in a lot of schools, they had a student walkout. They're tired of bullshit, fed up with the government, and they're sick of this shit. So they walked out together, showing their strength. But what if they would have went into the road and blocked the traffic? That would have been messed up. So then that makes you late. So always account for what's going on in the world. Here, I'm a little bit hungover. I did go out drinking the night before, but not too much. But I didn't feel like doing the massage at all. I just wanted to go home and sleep, curl up in the fetal position, and take a nap or do something. I didn't want to work on my client. So just remember, if you are going out the night before and you get a little tipsy, drunk, twisted, white boy wasted, all that stuff, fucked up, you might not want to accept certain massage appointments because you're not your best. You can't even function I ate a little bit of yogurt, as you can see right there on the front seat. And I need to clean my front seat. But anyways, I had to put some substance on my stomach because I was still kind of messed up, but not messed up to drive. But I still didn't want to do the appointment. So always be prepared for what you have to do. And I had to do a facial with a massage. That's a little bit over 2 hours, and I wasn't feeling too good. But I still did it because I need that money.
GoPro, stop recording.
As you can see in this scene, you can see me just on the phone with another client. I had to cancel her request for a massage because I was at this massage party for a group of females who were celebrating a birthday, which was wonderful. It's a wonderful thing to do for your friends, family, or whoever. But sometimes people are on CPT time, which is colored people time, if you didn't know that, and that can put you behind. As you can see, I'm waiting. Not all people just show up on time. And not saying you got to be a person of color to have this happen. You can be on WPT time, which is white people time. And some people will show up on time. But then again, some people will show up drunk, messed up, smashed, all that good stuff. So, nothing against any race or ethnicity. It's just the truth. It's facts. So if you get mad, oh fucking well, get over it. Build a bridge and walk the fuck over it. And I just wish people would be on JPT time, Japanese people time, because shit, Japanese people are always ahead of time. It's like what the fuck. But as you can see, there's no clients. I'm sitting there for about 40 some odd minutes. I believe 46 to be precise. I keep a time clock on my money. And so the more time I sit with nobody coming in, I'm still billing you. I'm still charging you. So I know precisely it was 46 minutes, and I still charge it for an extra hour, wasting my time. Okay, for this client and most clients, they're going to want to work on top of the sheets, on top of the table. They don't care about being covered, and they will be naked or half naked, partially naked, semi naked, whatever you want to call it. She just really wanted me to work on her inner thighs, her glute area, and IT band and lower back because she is a dancer. And when you're getting on a pole or dancing anywhere, it's a lot of work on your inner thighs and your glute area, your buttocks. So those muscles need to be focused on more than others. So don't be scared if that's what your client wants, that's what they shall get. Now, if you're worried about your license, the people watching you, then you shouldn't be in this business. You shouldn't be doing it. Get the fuck out of there. Stop being scared. Grow the fuck up. But if not, then you got to do what you got to do to please your client. And just like the next client in the next scene, she needed the same back work. But I didn't want to show you the whole thing with that because I got a little out of hand.
Okay, everybody, in this video, we're going to show you guys mobile banking. Mobile banking is something that every esthetician, massage therapist, business owner, entrepreneur should be thinking about getting, because instead of standing in those lines at the bank and trying to deposit a check that's going to take you an hour or 40 minutes in the line, which is really crazy, this mobile app is wonderful for me because I don't ever step inside of a bank unless I have to. I hate going to the bank. I hate standing in a damn line. It sucks. So what do I do? All right, so for me, on my phone. So I'm just gonna move my phone up into the view a little bit. And I have mobile apps. On my mobile apps, I have a section to where it's all just business. I have all my bill payments, all my bank's information or mobile apps. So what I use Chase Bank, SunTrust Bank, Capital One Bank, Navy Federal, Andrews Federal Credit Union, and some other secure banks that are private banks. Um, the one app that I'm going to show you today is the Capital One Deposit, a check app. So you download the app, it will open up, you do your little password, sign me in business. And so it gives you your balances for like your credit card and your account balance. So you want to go to your savings or checking. Then it'll say mobile deposits. It'll say deposit like a camera. You don't want to transfer anything. You just want to go to this little caption that shows a picture. Deposit. We're depositing money. So click it. It'll say front. You click front because you're going to take a picture of the check on the front side. So let's move the check into where we can see. Move the phone over the check. Line up those two end marks on your phone with the check. And it takes the picture for you. So it says now turn or flip the check over. We flip our check over and then we sign it. So just like we're in the bank, sign your name, initial, all that good stuff, put today's date right next to it, and leave it. Remember, you're gonna need a pen, so always have a pen with you. So now the back of the check, same thing. Take the check, bring it up, or sorry, put it in auto mode. I waited too long. And there we go. It takes the picture for you. So once that's done, it took the picture. And right now, we turn the check back over. And where it says enter amount, just tap enter amount. The amount was $495.40. So we type in 95.40. Oops, and see how I made a mistake? I put in 9,540. Hopefully I pray I can make that much money in just one check. It'd be nice. So we just edit some numbers back. So 95.40 and hit done. Now it's gonna say add a memo, or it's optional. You can add in a note and say, hey, look, I would like this deposited on the 15th, or hold this check until 18 days from now, whatever you want to do, or transfer it into a different account. I will have detailed information in 2 weeks, whatever you want to do. Then slide to deposit. And it's thinking, it's going in. It says you've deposited $95.40. You're done. Hold on to your check. Remember, hold on to your check. Just in case, for some reason, the server was down. You might still get this message, but the server on their end could be down. Most likely it's not because it accepted it. But just in case something funny goes wrong, do not rip up your checks at all. I'm talking about even if you see the money into your account. You keep these checks for at least a couple months, maybe even a year, but just or forever. Hold on to them. Do not rip them up. They are now voided. You've put this into your mobile account. It can't be taken. Even if you have routing numbers down here, no one can steal your information. Even if they do, it's hard to do hacking these days. They have so much detection intrusion programs that catch people before they even try hacking into a bank. It's ridiculous. Encryption is crazy. I would not try to hack into a bank unless you just want to do 25 years or 35 years. I think it's the maximum for just hacking nowadays. That's crazy. Not even killing somebody will give you 30 days or 35 years. They give you 25 to life, but for just trying to hack into somebody's account can cost you up to 35 years alone. So mobile banking is the way to go. It is secure. You do not need to worry about it. And if somebody does get into your account and tries to mess with certain things, you can always file a claim. Make sure your mobile banking system or any bank allows fraud protection up to the $250,000 mark. Because if you're in a business, you're probably making that in a year or more. You need to have several banks, not just one, because you are only covered up to $250,000. Have three, four, five, 10 banks, whatever you need to do. But I love mobile banking. I just click my phone, I put in my passcode, you get a direct deposit. I like having all my mobile bills in one, and that's what all therapists and business owners should be having for their mobile apps. So in the next video, I'll show you what I use for my payment forms for like Square or PayPal. But I love Square because Square just pops right on up. I have my Square reader. I can just take a credit card, but that'll be in the next video. So thanks for watching.